once, step twice, dig those hips around as you go into the body roll. Perfect. From here, we're gonna do a rock step before we go up into the air. So I'm gonna take my left leg behind me, rock step, switch the inside, and I'm ready to go up into the air. Let me show you facing this way. Body roll. You're gonna take your front facing leg, doesn't matter which leg it is, your front facing leg, and you're gonna trace a circle to go behind you. Transfer your weight. Do that a couple times with me. Circle, transfer. 2 more times. Circle, transfer. Last one. Circle, transfer. Yes. As I'm leaning back, my inside arm is gonna reach high so that I can get ready. Circle, reach to step, and go right into my spin. Try that again with me. Front facing leg, circle, reach the inside arm high as you shift your weight back. Let that leg lift up a little bit. Keep it nice and straight. Give it some energy. Don't let it dangle like a wet noodle. Nice and straight, inside arm high. Then I plant my foot, leg goes out, and I'm ready to go into my spin. Last time on this side. Let's add the body roll first. Roll, chest, stomach, hips, all the way back. One more time. Chest, stomach, hips. I got ahead of myself. Then circle, lean back, raise that inside arm, extend out, and we're ready to go into our climb. Thank you so much for dancing with me today. I hope that you had fun, and I will see you in the next video.